We will now demonstrate our newly developed chicken portion cutter, automatic fixed weight slicer packaging line, and latest high-speed automatic bandsaw, the Hades Big. First, let me introduce the newly developed chicken portion cutter, making its debut next to me. This is a reference exhibit with the product name still undecided, but we'd appreciate having everyone view it today and provide your feedback. Let's begin the demonstration. Today you'll see portion dicing of chicken thigh meat using a 2-pass system. Target weight is 30 grams. The display at the front is also connected, so please watch there as well. Let's begin. Here we go. First, the primary cut. Those nearby may have heard a clicking sound. The primary cut is complete. 2 cuts will align pieces to 30 grams each. Let's check the primary cut weights. 88 grams. 93 grams. 63 grams. Now we'll cut each piece to 30 grams. Next, the secondary cut. We're cutting the pre-processed primary cut pieces. The button has been pressed. Secondary cutting in progress. This is also instant. Complete. Here we have the 30-gram target weight setting. 32 grams. 30 grams. This way, from one piece of chicken raw material, we calculate the optimal cutting pattern for the target weight with minimal waste, then cut accordingly to achieve precise portioning. Another feature we'd like to show is cleaning. Let's look inside the machine. As you can see, the entire unit can be washed with water. You can rinse it thoroughly. Now let's look at the bottom section of the machine. Here's the bottom section. It's designed like a sink. Easy cleaning design that considers workplace hygiene. This is our newly developed chicken portion cutter. Though a reference exhibit, we're preparing for market launch in the near future. Please stay tuned. Next, we'll move to the demonstration of the automatic portioning slicer packaging line. This is the automatic portioning slicer packaging line. Let me explain the line configuration. Raw material is fed from your left, where I'm standing. First, the measurement section. Next is the Zeus main unit slicing section. The sliced meat is then arranged by the automatic dishing robot Scorpion into trays, finally reaching the tray sealer at the back. Weight measurement is now complete. Next is shape scanning. This applies our acclaimed 3D portioning slicer Libra series technology, using lasers from above and below for 3D non-contact measurement. You can now see it through the overhead camera. As shown on the upper display, you can see the red laser scanning. 3D non-contact measurement is now complete. With shape scanning complete, it's now conveyed to the slicing section. Slicing operation begins now. Based on the scan shape and input thickness, the number of slices per pack is automatically adjusted for output. Slice thickness is also finely controlled to maintain consistent texture, achieving weight accuracy of ±5%. This is Zeus's key feature, fixed weight pack slicing. Achieving over 99% yield with beautiful scale arrangement. Next is Scorpion's automatic dishing process. The conveyed slice blocks are recognized by camera to determine whether to dish or not. When dishing is determined, our specially developed hand performs the operation. By changing this hand in program, Double fold, single fold, multi-row arrangements, and various product types are possible. Today we're showing pork belly slices in double-side arrangement. The tray arrangement is now complete and flowing on the conveyor. Next is packaging by the FOOMA tray sealer, TSA 680 at the end. For this packaging, the packaging machine, we're using a tray sealer today. When 3 trays are aligned, they're packaged simultaneously. The TSA 680 also supports gas flush packaging and skin pack packaging. Did you see the packaging process? Now, with today's 180-gram setting, let's verify the actual measurement. Subtracting the pack weight, 180-gram setting, 185 gram. Yes, 185 gram. As you can see, the results are beautifully presented. Today we showed tray arrangement products, but for set products, meal kits, mail order items, and anyone seeking precision in sliced meat, we recommend our Zeus system. Next, we'll move to the Hades Big demonstration. It's behind the packaging machine, so please move over there. Now you'll see slicing of bone-in pork loin pork chops. Please note the slicing speed and excellent yield. Pay special attention to the final slice waste amount. Raw material loading is now in progress, so let's watch the chucking process. This operation switch requires two-handed operation for safety. Our proprietary two-stage chucking system is Hades' key feature. This enables high-speed slicing without thickness variation through secure material fixing and minimizes chucking waste. Now for slicing operation. Please also watch the final two-stage chucking movement. Finished in an instant. Please note the final slice section. Automatic bandsaws typically leave large chucking waste, but you saw how thin Hades' waste is. Hades achieves a minimum of 6 millimeters waste. That concludes our demonstration of bone-in pork loin pork chop slicing with the Hades Big high-speed automatic bandsaw. Since it finished so quickly, for those wanting more detail, we have slicing videos available. Please ask us.